I call this activity Pop Go the Forces. You'll be using a little toy. I call it a jumping popper. So you press down on the tabletop and release, and it jumps. It's got an elastic material that stores potential energy, and when you release it, that energy is transformed into motion. So what you'll need for this lab is some paper and pencil to write down your data, a way to time, and if you're doing this in person, you would also need a way to measure the height. But if you're doing this at home virtually, then I'm going to supply you with the data that you need. Or rather, what I should have said is I'm going to supply you with some of the data that you need. For some of it, you're going to need to actually watch a little short video of the jumper jumping. And what I'm showing right now is that there is an experimental part to this, where we're going to change the mass of the jumper. I will supply you with that data, but I wanted you to see how it's done. Basically, I have a bottle cap, and I have a different number of pennies, and each one of them adds to the weight of the jumper, and of course that should change its height. Now you're going to have to use your imagination, act as if you actually have a jumper in front of you, and imagine how it jumps and flies through the air. And you're also going to need to be very meticulous in making sure that all the questions get answered. If you have any questions at all, if you need any help, please email Dr. Kemp. Good luck on this activity.